If anyone want to do the interiors, we just recommend go to Nidhi ji, not anybody else.
Every house has its own story. Some tell it with their grand spaces, some with their smaller details. This one speaks through morning, glory, and its quiet corners and the minute, detailed designing. Welcome to the Randhawa residence. So this is a beautiful house that I have done recently again. I've designed the passage area wherein we have given a board and we have colored it with PU. And the colors we've used here are a very light shade of sage green. We give a shoe cabinet. Leave your worries and your shoes at the door. See, a little green corner, a shoe rack. This we've done because they have tenants staying on the first floor, and this area has a lot of movement and it gets spoiled. It gets marks. So to save the wall, we have done this. To elevate the look, we've just added some wall art here and there. We changed the color of the door completely and added a doorknob. Come on in. So the color palette inspiration for this particular room comes from the gemstone ruby. Ruby, if you notice, comes in slightly different variants. Thoda kabhi kabhi it will be a little towards rose quartz, it will be a little towards. So basically the stones, I had gemstones in mind when I thought of the color palette, and the main color was ruby red, and then a little variations towards rose quartz, and so that's how you'll see a lot of maroon and but not overpowering. Like I always say, balance is the key. So balance maintain करते हुए मैंने cream use किया है काफ़ी ज़्यादा. अगर सिर्फ ruby होता तो फिर rug भी ruby हो जाता और upholstery भी ruby हो जाती. So no. So you don't want to make a place look overpoweringly one color. So it has to be balanced and it has to be soothing. It has to appeal to most people. So for that, you need to maintain a balance and you have to use a lot of neutrals, but then also experiment with a little, stronger color, I would say. So yes, so like I've already told you, this room ko karte hue, ruby was my inspiration, ruby and rose quartz. That's where I wanted to play around with. And again, the client is very fond of the classical concept, but again, they did not want it to be too crowded. So we've added some beautiful lamps. We changed the upholstery. I'll show you this beautiful upholstery of this chair. So giving it the whole room a very classic Victorian vibe. So ruby red, but पीछे हम लोगों ने ruby red नहीं लगाया. We just matched it with this. We've added some ruby color on the cushion covers, some rose color in the cushion covers. Added some beautiful ceramic lamps, which again are a little peach in color. And to go with them, I have put up these wall plates. This up the wall is this beautiful carved mirror made by the in-house carpenter. I will introduce him to you in the rare part of the video. So do make sure that you watch the video till the very end so that you can connect with him if you need to get furniture made. Beautiful finish, excellent work, and the mirror has to go up the wall because that's my signature style. Well, I absolutely love the way the house has turned out. But this particular corner, the family area, is my personal favorite. I absolutely love the colors. I love the soft colors, the very English colors. I love the checkered cushions and the embroidered ones. And they are going so beautifully well with the wall art. So we have these wall arts available on our website also. You can check out the details by visiting the website. In case you do not want them to be framed, I can give you those also. And yes, you just need to drop a message to me. That's about it. So the colors here that we've used, the palette that we used here is sage green, powder blue, a little of yellow, and lots and lots of whites. This particular corner, this one chair is what I love the most. It has an ottoman, which can you pull the head when you are sitting and you want to put your feet up. And it has a reading lamp. The TV area was on the other side, which we have now turned into the bar area. And I moved the television to this side and made this into the family room. It's more private. This crockery cabinet the apni kahani hai. It's an old piece, emotional attachment. The rule was, "Eh ja nahi sakdi, eta rahogi ete." But we needed to give it a new look. So I suggested that we go with this darker blue kind of color. The client was pretty apprehensive, but they were kind enough to show trust in me, and we went ahead with this dark blue color. And on the sides and on the rear wall, we have put up a wallpaper which is very English in the feel, and so white and blue we've kept it. This entire area of the dining room and the bar area, I'll take you to the bar area too, so is all white and blue. So the living area was inspired by ruby, the stone ruby and rose quartz. The family area is more subtle on colors with sage green and like you saw. And this area we have kept as darker tones. This is the bold element of the room. I wanted to break the monotony of all wood of the same color. So while we have these very elegant chairs, a 6-seater onyx top dining table, which is a new addition. So this brings up the white. The fabric brings up the texture, and the wood looks very, very classy. And the cabinet now looks very bold and adds a very strong element of beauty to the room. So this area was originally the TV area, the family area basically. So इस wall पे TV लग गया हुआ ऐसे, and इस wall पे TV लगा हुआ था, और वहाँ पे दूसरी साइड पे एक L shape में सोफ़ा था. L shape सोफ़ा बहुत बल्कि होते हैं, साथ में सेंटर टेबल था, TV कैबिनेट था, TV यूनिट था, TV था, pictures. So to my eyes it was looking very busy और मुझे बहुत भीड़ भड़का लग रहा था. So I suggested to them that we move the family area to a more private space, जो कि उस तरफ था, है ना? तो because वो area seating area था, but waste sitting area था, उसमें कुछ sense नहीं बन रही थी उसकी. So that's what we did. हम लोगों ने इस area को एक bar area में convert किया और उसे एक private space में convert किया. तो living area, dining area and bar. So that's like one unit now. Family room अलग हो जाता है, और family room का जो area है that leads to all the bedrooms. So this is the whole idea behind making this area what I have made it into. I have placed this white and blue white and blue plate in the stand, a lamp, and this wall art. I'll show you another bar cabinet that they have, which was again the very usual teak look. It used to look very nice, but still it was, we wanted to change it. So since we were using a distressed table here as a console, we decided to change the polish of the cabinet also into a distressed look. This is another thing that we added, a screen with rattan cane. Just because there's a bedroom onto the side, and जब ये नहीं था, तो living area से जो direct view था, वो bed का मिलता था, and we did not want that. So to give them a little privacy, we added a screen. तो उससे क्या हुआ है, ये जगह भी हमें ज़्यादा मिल गई है, and जो direct view था, यहाँ से अंदर का या वहाँ से from the living room सीधा bedroom का, that has been taken care of, and so the person जिनका bedroom है ये, that is they have ample privacy now. So that was the whole idea of having the screen here. We also added this side table cabinet kind of a thing, again with rat and cane. Now my obsession with rat and cane is not because I just like it so much. There's a very practical reason to it. One, aesthetically तो चलो appeal करता है, but practical भी बहुत है. Like all homes now have CCTV cameras, तो उसका जो setup होता है, that has to be placed somewhere, and it looks very ugly जब वो बाहर कहीं पड़ा होता है. So this is almost my third project where I've added this, and the entire CCTV camera setup goes into it. तो इसके अंदर चला जाता है your Wi-Fi settings, everything, your जो भी आपका होता है जिसकी वायर्स इधर उधर जा रही हैं, everything can go inside this, and because of the rat and cane वो signal भी block नहीं होता. So that's one tip for the day.
Yeah, I think it was the best decision that I hired Nidhi ji to just do my interiors. बहुत मजा आया देख के, because मैं after I think 1 week बाद ਅਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਆਏ, and ਮੈਨੂੰ actual confusion से ਘਰ ਦੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, पर मजा आ गया. Best.
It's a beautiful work she's done, and we are very happy. And basically, it was always we were fighting about that. We don't want bright colors. We don't any. And
Yeah.
that discussion had
Very
gone
confused about the blue cabinet. I think now that is the masterpiece of our house.
on. Great effort and very
Yeah.
good. We're very happy with it.
We recommend, I think, everyone, if anyone want to do the interiors, we just recommend go to Nidhi ji, not anybody else.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So here I am going to introduce you to this one person who has majorly contributed to the project. मतलब काम तो मैंने किया है, आइडिया भी मेरा है, पर उन्होंने जो काम किया है, that is really commendable, and he really deserves a mention. So this is Salman from Salman Designs, and he is that one person who has worked on all the furniture, giving it a new look, taking all the old polish, giving new polish, all the pieces जो नए बनने थे उन्हें नया बनाना, fabric changing and all of that, changing the complete look. आपको मैं कुछ pieces का before and after भी दिखाऊंगी, and all the credit goes to this one person. सलमान, बताओ अपने बारे में.
हेलो, माय नेम इज सलमान. मैम के साथ हम कुछ मंथ से काम कर रहे हैं. हमारा मैम के साथ सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट है, और हमने सारा फर्नीचर, इसमें से हमने कुछ फर्नीचर रीडू भी किया है और कुछ न्यू बनाया है. और हमारे काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट ऑल ओवर इंडिया चलते हैं, जैसे कि दिल्ली, चंडीगढ़, पंजाब ऑलमोस्ट. और हमने अभी रिसेंटली कनाडा का भी एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था लास्ट ईयर. तो मैम के साथ काम करके काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा हमारा. बाकी जो जैसे मैम ने हमसे पॉस्ट्री के कपड़े वगैरह सेलेक्ट किए थे वो काफ़ी अच्छे किए हैं. बाकी हमने मैम का चेयर हुआ, सोफ़ाज़ हुआ, ये ड्यू किए हैं हमने, और मैम के साथ हम कुछ टाइम से एसोसिएट हैं. बाकी
और हम बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स साथ में करने
और
वाले हैं.
नेक्स्ट ये है कि हम आगे काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट एक साथ करेंगे, जो कि अपना ऑल ओवर इंडिया रहेगा. दिल्ली, पंजाब, चंडीगढ़
एंड हिमाचल ऑफ कोर्स.
हिमाचल.
So ये था हमारा होम टूर ऑफ अनदर हाउस इन चंडीगढ़ दैट आई हैव डन. होपफुली आप लोगों को सबको पसंद आया होगा, एंड जे थानू ये होम टूर पसंद आया है. मतलब अगर आपको ये होम टूर पसंद आया है, अब मैं कैसे सबको खुश रखूं? इंग्लिश में बोलूं, हिंदी में बोलूं, पंजाबी में बोलूं? इंग्लिश में बोलती हूँ तो हिंदी वाले नाराज़ हो जाते हैं, हिंदी वालों में बोलूं तो पंजाबी वाले नाराज़ हो जाते हैं. तो मैं रिपीट करके बोलूं? अगर सबटाइटल आ सकते हो तो वो बहुत अच्छा आइडिया होता. नेवरदलेस, अगर आपको ये होम टूर पसंद आया है, so please do follow our channel, do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you get regular notifications, and continue showing your love to us. Thank you so much. Do connect with us on the given number in case you want us to be a part of your dream house. Thank you so much.